Hi, good evening traders, it's Mark Owen here from The Lifestyle Trader. It's Tuesday evening and it's 7:25 p.m. So to follow up on my previous video, we're still looking at dollar strength and we're looking at the dollar index to rally into this 9120 to 9200 area. Now on the basis of this, we're going to correlate it and it's going to give us a trading opportunity, and we're looking at that right now. So we're going to revert over to the euro dollar. I'm just going to move this out of the way for now. And what we're doing is we're looking at this area here. So we've got the 125 big even handle number that the market came into and double topped. At this point here, we had a commercial extreme from the Commitment of Traders report, giving us the signal that there's a potential top in the euro looking back over a 6 and 18 month look back period. Since that period, what we've seen is we've seen a change in cyclical patterns. We've now got a lower low on the daily chart, and the market's come back into our grey zone looking for a sell signal. So this grey zone is an area we've defined as a point of interest where we would look for selling opportunities in the euro to take it back down towards 120.7. And it'd be this area where we're looking to take long trades. But currently our bias remains short for the short term. So how can we take advantage of this trading opportunity right now? So let's just drop down. We'll have a look at the hourly chart. We're just going to zoom in, make the chart a little bit bigger. And what you'll see is there's been a nice period of continual cyclical higher highs and higher lows. And what we've seen is prices come back into our grey zone, our sell zone. We've seen a lack of momentum. We've seen our final push up, and now we've seen a more solid sort of turn of sellers entering the market. Is this a signal to go short? Depending how aggressive you are, there was a limit order that we sent out in the Lifestyle Traders Club that's triggered, and we're only about 10 or 11 pips in profit. But I'm just going to show you a more conservative method of entry. So we're going to look at a smaller time frame again. So because this isn't a key area where we're looking to get short, what we'd look for essentially as a less riskier trade would be to trade some kind of reversal pattern. So this would be the instance where you'd use one of the old chart patterns called a head and shoulders, and this is what you're looking for. You're looking for the market to drop down, break down below, and trade it like this. And this essentially you're just looking for a break of the trend line, and then you're looking to trade either a retest of the trend line or a lower high. Obviously rules will be dependent, and depending where you look at these patterns will depend on how efficient they are. I would say if you're going to do something like this, then you're looking at first targets of 122.50. If we look at that in terms of a risk reward profile, we're talking a 4-to-1 just to the cycle lows. Let's zoom out a little bit, so we're going to go back up the time frame. And let me just bring this in. You should see then the next risk reward profile will be just over a 10-to-1, taking it down to the 120.7, which is a key area where we'll be looking to take the market long again. So you can see quite clearly, here's your 4-hour double top. We've changed cyclical patterns. We've now come back up into what was the neckline, so support here now becomes resistance, and then we've looked at a smaller time frame and how the market can roll over, and we'll look to take advantage of that opportunity to the downside. Okay, so that's the trade we're going to share with you today. If you'd like more trades like this, then simple answer is go to the website, click on join the club, and you'll get information 24/7, trading opportunities, when to stay out of the market, what opportunities look for, and then obviously we do educational content as well every other second Tuesday. If you've liked the information that's been broadcast tonight, then please let us know, and the simple way of doing that is hitting like, subscribe, share and comment below. We've got other videos. If you haven't checked them out, please go through all the other videos and let me know what you think of our content. If there's anything that you'd particularly like us to look at, please let us know and we'll be happy to produce a video for you. Have a good evening, and we'll see what comes of the markets tomorrow. Bye bye.